namin ni Rhea sa clearance. Hindi ko na-record yung buong process because it was so chaotic and nakaka-stress. So, hell no. Pakita nga namin clearance na.
Graduate.
See?
Hashtag gagraduate.
Graduated.
My kuya could never.
Oh! Referencing her kuya that didn't graduate. Talk mo good. But so anyways, this is the Rosetta who graduated this year.
Kuya, if you see this,
yes, tangina. Okay, let's go. Yes, galing. Okay. Eh, bakit?
sumingil. Sumingil. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Rhea. Bye, bro. Bye.
She got furious.
Uwi na kayo? Uwi ka na ba?
ESM.
Akala ko kasama ko.
Bye.
Bye.
Ito lang payagin.
Please, please. Na siya tumaling sa umaga. Retret dyan.
Graduating na. Excuse me. Nakalapit naman. Ang pangat ko dun, oh.
Nope.
Bye!
Vlog.
Uy, really video po yung video.
Hindi ako lang, hindi na maririnig.
Hindi na marinig. Hindi. Ayun, nag-chat-chat sila. Ano,